In this video, we're going to discover Ballroom Cave and Target Ruins and see the very interesting history about these two sites and what was going on at the time they were all here.
Are you pumped to go? Are you pumped to go? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So Ballroom Cave and Target Ruins are pretty close to the start of the trail. We decided to go back to the end of the canyon to see what was back there.
And all these holes, they're just from erosion.
Oh, this one's pretty deep.
Yeah. That one I bet has tadpoles in it.
Want a snack? Do it? Okay, come over here. Come over here. Oh. Can you sit? Sit. Sit. Good girl.
As we stop and get a snack, get the dogs rested, get some water in them. When we were back here, it's pretty cool. It's not the best thing in the world, but definitely it would be a lot cooler if there was a waterfall or something, or the night sky. It'd just be absolutely beautiful. So our plan is to go to Ballroom Cave.
Yeah, let's go down. We'll check out a couple of them on the way, and then we'll see Ballroom. I'd like to go up to Target and get the Target.
Yeah.
I mess up. Every time I come up, I'm going to do that. I never do it.
Hey, you. Get her. Come here. Come here. Ow.
Can I live here now?
A little waterfall coming off this. Spectacular.
After we saw the end of the canyon, we decided to go up to Ballroom Cave and Target Ruins. So this is a prime example of what is called a GoPro effect, where it makes it look very flat versus what it actually is. And this was probably like 60 or 70, somewhere in there, incline, something like that. And that's what's pretty steep. And the whole reason why we're going up here is because we saw a sign about bat study, and so we decided to go up here so if we could get to the bats, but sadly we could not.
Oh well.
So there was a site back in this alcove, and this is where the bats were, and we seriously thought that you can get up to it, but sadly you cannot.
Maybe.
There's just too steep of a wall. So we tried in a different area, still can't.
Get down from there. I think it is. It is. No, I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to look around. Because you got these holes. And you got charcoal. Just a pure layer of charcoal. There. These are... Alright, let me stop the video here. See these marks on the side of the wall.
It looks like a human was digging these out, not an animal. And I almost think it's the Pueblo Native Americans that were digging this out. Now, I don't know the purpose behind this, but it's pretty interesting to me.
Animals, but apparently not there. So, do you see this wall right here? One or something in there. But I bet you this is how they got up. There's a structure right here, and they probably went up to get up on top there.
Alright.
It's very interesting in here.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I wish I had a long stick so I can look over. Oh well. Yeah, there has to be stuff in there.
Over here.
So what's the name of this guy?
Well, I call him Frog Man, but
Frogman?
why he's upside down on his head.
It's really cool. Very interesting sight.
So this is part of Ballroom Cave. These are the
Yeah.
room chambers, and they're very interestingly built. For you to get into the site, the actual cave, you have to climb over some boulders.
Anything more? You want some help, Mar? Holy crap, is that what I think that is? Go, Mar! Go! Want some help? Oh, you got it. There's... it is.
I was pretty lucky to find a piece of pottery. Not significant, but still pretty cool to see the history about these people. Now, of course, when you find pottery in that, and artifacts, please leave it for other people to experience it.
Good sized piece of pottery.
Because it's not that fun when you don't
Cool.
find stuff like this.
I don't think you guys can see that. You kind of can. Whew. Yep. A little bit bigger.
So overall, in that group, we discovered Ballroom Cave and Target Ruins. And it's actually kind of scary what they discovered in these sites.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Huge. This is cool.
And the whole reason why they built up high, very difficult to get up to, is for protection. There was a threat at the time they were here.
Is this cool? Yeah.
And we are thinking in the very back, this is what they put the women and children to hide them, to protect them.
Wow, it's hard for the GoPro to see this though. But yeah, oh, it is cool in here. Definitely will recommend if you're going to go in here. Man, I love this, the light feeding in. It's this, so good. It's that light gently feeding in. Kate. Oh, and she's off. Off to the races. Easy, Mar. Oh, don't fall. Yeah, no, that is cool. People sliding down, I think.
Well, they made slides though. They rubbed the rock.
Yeah.
Like that. Boy, that made quite a noise. If you're in here. See
Yeah, like
that?
what noise does it make?
Well, that guy at the thing, see that partial wall there?
Oh yeah.
He was saying, kind of like a
Alright, see how well. Oh yeah, no, the GoPro can kind of see it. Am I out of your picture? Oh, that looks so sick. Oh, that looks cool. with the GoPro. That looks cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah. There's a real crack. Ooh, it kind of goes deep. Wow. Yes. Wow. Recommend. Can I see you? Well, kind of.
Okay. Let's run the target. See if we can get a picture of the target. Kind of good to revisit these places. Once in a while
You forget how
forget
cool.
how great they are.
How cool and big. I wonder what it looked like without the Native Americans. Like before they were here. I bet you this was impressive to them.
Oh, I bet they thought. I think a basket maker group had lived in here, but I'll bet there were giant sloths and cave bears
Yeah.
probably living in here. And then they came in, it was a good protection area. Good fortress. Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, now if you saw this and you're planning to attack them or steal their stuff, kind of make you not do it.
Yeah, 10 or 15 guys up here on the rim, and then they'd probably put the women and children back in the back.
Yeah. It's impressive. How big of a cave do you think it is?
How big?
Yeah. How many square feet do you think it is?
Oh, probably 200 by 100.
Something.
It's about
This way.
half the size of fish mouth.
This way. Come here.
Fish mouth cake, bigger.
Yeah. Okay. Murray. But yeah, if you guys are in San Juan County, definitely recommend to go to Ballroom Cave. It's just right off Highway 95. It's spectacular. It's pretty cool. Yeah. This is the one that I remember. This cave. It's like I 100% remember this. Being in there. But I don't remember being over there.
Well, a lot of people, when they come out, they think that is it.
Yeah, so Ballroom Cave. Yeah, so Ballroom Cave. So you go up the trail, here's your site. Go that way, so go left. Yep, behind the wall. So when you come up to these sites, pretty cool. The Ballroom Cave is this right over there. So just follow the trail, I'll take you right to it. Very impressive. Alright, let's go to Target Run. You're getting a drink of water. Well, made it up. How about you climb up? Almost there. Oh, it's good. Good day though. Get over. Not overcast, but get some good clouds. That's nice.
I'll show you that sandal.
Oh, in the rock.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. What is it?
Another sandal tracks.
Oh,
One there. You notice the weave design is specific, and some archaeologist was telling us that that weave design would be for this clan. And when they saw a track in the trail, they would know, oh, that's this clan, that's those guys.
Interesting.
It's like a fingerprint.
Yeah.
See, there's a baby, a child vandal. Right there below that one.
This one here?
Yeah, that's a child one, and above it's the adult one.
Yeah, they didn't finish that one.
See the handprint?
I didn't. Oh, yeah. Well, if you're... No, he doesn't look like he's upside down, though. That's pretty cool.
Now I gotta go up. Sorry, quick target.
This is a pretty cool picture right here.
Yeah.
Ooh, man. That's a sick sight. This is a grave site, and this is where Brother found the bodies with their heads decapitated. And the whole reason why they're burning up so high and so difficult to get up to is to protect themselves from the invader. Bye, Target Ruin. Brother discovered these sites in the late 1860s. These sites are estimated to be 700 to 800 years old. And that's crazy that there's history here way before it was even discovered. And it is quite interesting. And Ballroom Cave is 100 square feet. It's nuts how big the cave actually is. And the camera makes it look smaller than actually it is. When you're in person, you can definitely tell how big and how significant it is. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.